Okay. I got the hiccups. Yeah. Hiccup. I got the hiccups. Yeah. Oh, Dad. I like Kevin. You see the new chips. We bought them out the door last.
Yeah?
We bought them out the door, Mommy.
That's right, we did.
We bought them out the door.
Are they yummy?